Peppers. This is our number one African queen. I hope everybody is doing well. And I'm sure you guys celebrate the Thanksgiving very well. And we celebrate it very well too. Today I am here to make hot chili. Yeah, hot chili pepper. Some of them like hot chili. Some people also doesn't like it. Yeah. So I am here. Somebody asked me. So you guys are vegetarian. So how did you make your hot chili? Because some people put meat and everything. I think fresh meat. I don't know. Fresh fish inside the chili, but we didn't put anything. So I am here to show you guys how to make the vegetarian hot chili pepper. So stay tuned. Yeah. For my hot chili, I have ginger, paprika, curry powder, and bay leaf, and asafoetida. You get some at Indian shop, asafoetida. Yep. That is the asafoetida. You get some at Indian shop. And I have my tomato sauce. And I have my dawa. You get some at African market. But it doesn't matter if you don't have this. Don't worry about that. It doesn't matter. Yeah, dawa. You get some at African market. Then I have my spicy here. And I have the master himself, the hot chili. And I have another spicy here. Yep. And I have my 4 Maggi cube here too. So I just open it and it's And I have my turmeric. Yeah, my turmeric here. And I have my nutrition powder here too. Yep. So I just put the oil on the fire because of the noise. That's why I cover it. So right now I'm going to add all my. Let me put the bit inside. And let me put my dawa first inside. Oh, I love dawa. And when you are making the pepper, the hot pepper, make sure that the oil is going to be a little enough because the pepper soak the oil. Yeah. Okay. I am going to add my asafoetida. That's my baby. Okay. And I am going to add everything inside. Yeah, so I am going to add my another spices. Yeah. And I'm going to add my turmeric powder. And I'm going to add my nutrition yeast. Not too much. And I'm going to stir it. And I'm going to add the spices. It's not hard, simple, just simple. Yeah. So right now I'm going to add the mustard inside. I know it's very chilly. And this one when you finish, you can put in your fridge anytime maybe you want to eat something. Yeah, just take little. If you don't like too much chili, just some no, you can make some small tiny, you can put some small tiny inside. You can put some small inside. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm going to add more because I am going to add tomato paste. Yeah, I know that this is very chili, but my aunt is coming here today. We are going to visit my aunt, and she loves chili. Oh my god, even when I give this to her, she's going to tell me that this is not that hot. I said, oh my god. Yeah, so because of her, I'm making this chili because she loves chili, and even this is not going to be hot for her. I'm sure she will tell me this is not hot. Yep. But if it is me, I am going to just maybe 3 tablespoons. I am going to do it. But because I'm going to give it to my aunt, yeah, as you can see, yep. I am going to give it to my aunt because I know that she loves pepper. So that's why I'm making it hot for her. Yep. And she's going to tell me, this is not hot. What kind of woman is that? And then I'm going to add my paste inside so that it can quench the hot a little bit. Yeah. She loves chili. Oh my god. You see? Oh my goodness. I can smell the scent. Yeah. So this is vegetarian hot chili. Yeah. Some people use those who are not vegetarian, maybe I can put it like that. They use fish. I think dry fish to do it, to put it inside. They will grind the dry fish and they will put it there. But because of we are vegetarian, we just make it like that. But we have so many things we can put it inside too. Yeah, but I prefer to make it like this. You see? Oh my god, my chili. Oh, it's hot. So I'm going to add my Maggi cube. I'm going to add my Maggi cube. We love chili. Oh my god, I love chili. Me and my son, we love eating chili. You see, all the oil just disappeared. Yeah, everything just disappeared. But I am not going to add oil. It's okay. Everything just disappeared. It doesn't matter. You can use any pepper you want. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just only this pepper. You can use any pepper. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. This is Maria salt. I'm talking with my little boy here. I think I need to put some small oil because everything just disappeared. So I'm going to add I thought maybe I'm not supposed to add oil, but I think I have to add oil so that because all the oil just disappeared. Yeah, so I'm going to add the oil. I swear if they eat this pepper and they say it's not hot, then I don't know what kind of human beings I have. Oh my god. That's the part I don't like it at all. Oh. Yeah, I just cover it because I don't like that part. When it burns, it's like, oh. Yep. So I just load the fire because I don't want something burning here. See? It's a lot of pepper. So I'm going to leave it down and I will come back. Simple. So I'm checking it again. So now all the oil is coming up. But it's good that I will get the oil on top so that when I put in the whatever I will put it in the container, because when you get the oil on top, it's not going to be spoiled because of the oil. So when you put it in the container, then you see the oil. You see the oil. But if there is no oil, it's going to be spoiled. But if there is oil on top, it's going to, anyway, if you put it in the fridge, it's not going to be spoiled. Yep. So I am checking it. And you need to see this color. When we are making hot pepper, hot chili, you have to see this color. If you do not see this color, mean your chili is not chili. You have to see this color. Yes, so I am done with my hot chili. It's my hot spicy chili. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe and make sure you press the notification bell. Anytime I'll post the video, you will see it first. So thank you so much for watching this, and may God bless you all. Thank you and have a nice day and happy Thanksgiving. I know it was yesterday, but I'm sure people are still enjoying the remaining food, so we are still in Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to you all. I love you so much. You are my family too. So bye for now. Love you. Bye.